In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Wix Pro Gallery layout. Whether you're looking to change up your gallery's appearance or simply make some tweaks, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you get the look you want for your website. First, you'll want to navigate to wix.com. Once there, log into your account using your usual credentials. After you've successfully logged in, go to the My Sites section. Here, you'll see a list of sites under your account. Select the website that you're planning to edit. Now click Edit Site to open the Wix Editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once the editor loads, you need to find the page where your Pro Gallery is located. This might require a little searching if your site is large, but it's worth taking the time to locate it. Click directly on the gallery. This will highlight the gallery and enable you to access its specific settings. Now that you've selected the gallery, look for the Settings button or the gear icon. It's usually right by your gallery when it's selected. Clicking this button will open up a panel packed with options. This is your control center for customizing your gallery's layout, spacing, and overall design. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available. In the Gallery Settings panel, you'll see a section labeled Layout. Here is where you can transform how your images are displayed. You have several layout styles to choose from. First, there's the grid layout, arranging images in neat rows and columns. Next, consider the masonry layout, which stacks images naturally, letting them vary in height for a more casual look. If you prefer a dynamic horizontal display, the slider option is a fantastic choice, functioning as a scrollable slideshow. Lastly, there's the collage option, which offers a dynamic and slightly overlapping presentation of your images. Once you've decided on the layout, take some time to adjust the spacing, padding, and image proportions. These adjustments can greatly affect the visual appeal of your gallery, allowing you to fine-tune your design until it's just right. After making your edits, hit the Save button to ensure your changes are not lost. It's a good practice to click Preview next so you can see how your gallery looks in action before going live. This is your opportunity to make sure everything looks perfect. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the changes, click Publish. This will make your new gallery layout visible to everyone who visits your site. Remember, making thoughtful adjustments to your Wix Pro Gallery can greatly enhance the visual impact of your website. So don't rush the process. Enjoy the creative journey.